Hello guys, in this video we're going to see how to make zip file. So to do that, first you go file folder and click any of the folder which you want to make as zip file. So I need to make this folder as zip file. So what you need to do first is press Ctrl A first. So select all this and click this share option. So once you click the share option, you can see the zip file. So click this button. It will take some time to make a zip file. So here you can see compressing. Yeah. Now you can see the zip file is created. So to ensure either it is created or not, double click this. Now you can see all of the files have been added as a zip file. So that's all. Thank you for your patience.